Page 162, Minuet in G major, number 1, whatever that means. This is the beginning of section 4, which is giving you some repertoire. Repertoire, some pieces to play, okay. You kind of pick and choose what you're after here, between you and your teacher. I'm going to try and just cover them lightly to give you some ideas. This piece is in the key of G major, one sharp. Notice the articulation. That's what we want here is the articulation. In the right hand it's here. 3/4 time, it's a minuet. Of course it's a 3/4 time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. The staccatos are fairly short. Not super short, but fairly short. And so forth. Follow their fingering, it's fine. The articulation, it's fine. The repeat signs, notice the repeat signs. We're going to take, let's do, in the play with me, I'm going to do the repeat signs. So, yeah. There's a little bit of trickiness going on in the left hand on page 163. Look at the last 2 lines. You have 2 voices going, and it's important we hold the notes down the right length. You're starting out with the stem goes down on the B, that's the lower voice. And stick with the lower voice, then it's here, and then they're all together. And the next line, the first measure, it's a dotted half note, the lower voice. Well, go back up a line, next to the last line, the stem goes up, that's the upper voice. So it gets a rest, 2, 3, rest, and then it's together. And then in the first measure of the last line, the upper voice is that quarter note. The point is they're overlapping. So go back next to the last line, the 2 voices together. You're going to hold the B down. You're going to hold the B down as you play the D. You're going to hold the D down as you play the B. So, next measure, same thing. Hold the C down as you play the E. And hold the E down as you play the C. And the first measure of the last line, hold that D down. It's a dotted half note. And the third beat, hold it down while you play the F sharp. So for one beat, they're both down. Kind of tricky, but try and do that. No pedal in this. No pedal. I don't have a lot to say. It says allegretto. I don't know about that. It's the tempo. To me, that's more of a moderato type thing. It's a minuet. It's a waltz. If you're going to dance it, how fast would you dance it? You know, in a waltz type thing. Let's try it. I'm going to give us 3 counts. Let's try it together slowly. We're just checking notes and rhythms in here. 1, ready, go.